Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is more projects, and on today's project we're going to be changing our trim panels. We're going to be bringing them back to life and putting the black trim restore on it. So you can see how dull and faded the trim is on this one right now. It's very light colored plastic. You can see how faded it is. So I want to bring it back to life, and I want to make it look back like factory. Here is my CRV that we've already done, and you can tell how much brighter the plastic is. All right, so here's the products that we're going to be using for this video. And I'm going to show you on each panel. I'm going to try one of each kind. I'm going to let you know the price of them and which one I like the best. All right, so your first one we have is Meguiar's Ultimate Black. Makes trim and plastic look brand new, lasts for weeks. Then we have Armor All Trim and Plastic Restore, supposedly protects for over 100 car washes. Then you have Mother's Vinyl, Leather, and Rubber. Now this is basically just for the interior of the car, but we're going to try it since it does say vinyl. And then we have Solution Finish Black Trim Restore, bring black back. Restores, conditions, protects rubber, vinyl, and plastic for anything from truck bed, mud flaps, engine compartments, bumper trim, doors, fenders, moldings, and rear view housing. All right, so let's get right into this. Now the first thing you're going to have to do is have a clean vehicle. So let's go ahead and wash this car right quick. All right, so now that we got the car cleaned up and dried off, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to read our directions on each one and make sure that we do it properly. So on the Meguiar's Ultimate Black, it says to shake well and apply to a clean, cool surface and dry surface. Apply a small amount to a cotton terry cloth and then wipe off the excess with a clean towel. 2 to 3 applications may be needed. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a towel and I'm going to fold it into a square. All right, so now we've got the Meguiar's is done on the front bumper only. So now on this fender trim, the mud flap, the door trim, the rear view mirror, and half just to right here, we're going to use Armor All Outlast Trim and Plastic Restore. We're going to try that next right there. Let's see how that looks. All right, so the directions on this one Basically the same thing. Shake the bottle, apply it onto a microfiber cloth, spread it evenly, give it 5 minutes, and using a damp terry cloth, lightly wipe up the excess. Where the last one said use a dry towel, this one says a damp towel. All right, so let's read these directions again. It says shake the bottle, apply it to a damp microfiber towel, spread it evenly, wait 5 minutes, and using a damp microfiber towel, lightly wipe it up. All right, so now I got this wet. I'm gonna try this again. So this time, I'm gonna apply a little bit on here. I'm gonna kind of rub it into the towel, like so. We'll give that 5 minutes and then we'll wipe it off. Now while I'm waiting, I'm gonna go ahead and start on this back door and this trim right here. And this time, I'm gonna use this Mother's VLR. So this one, it says to spray it onto a cloth, massage thoroughly, and wipe away with a clean microfiber towel. So far, the Meguiars is holding up and looking pretty well. I'm liking the way that one turned out so far. Now, if you look, I haven't wiped this off yet, but it's been about 5 minutes. I'm gonna take this wet cloth and I'm gonna wipe this off. But this is the Armor All Outshine. Now, it didn't do much to our door piece, but it did decent on the mud flap and this. Now, the Mother's VLR, I put it on here. It didn't do a whole lot. It's kind of still discolored in certain areas. And it looks about the same, but a little bit lighter on the trim. Now, I haven't done the rear bumper yet, but we're gonna do that right after I wipe off this. All right, so now we're gonna try our very last one, which is Solution Finish. Now this one, you got to apply it to a cool, clean surface. This one, you wanna wear gloves and eye protection. Shake the bottle well, apply it to a sponge, spread coat over an even motion, covering the area completely. Give it 2 minutes and then clean it off with a clean microfiber towel and wipe it all off the glass of the paint, because it will stain unsealed paint. So we got to go put some gloves on for this one. So I've got my eye protection, I've got my gloves, and I've got a clean cloth. I mean, yeah, I've already washed this one. I know it's dirty, but it's gonna stain this right here, so I'd rather use this one. So I'm gonna shake it up really well. This one's even got like a rattling ball, kind of like a spray paint can in it. So this one literally comes out black. So this Solution Finish is already looking like it's doing an excellent job. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna apply some where the other side didn't look so great with the other products. Let's try this one. All right, so let's do a quick overview. So this right here, the front bumper alone, is the Meguiars. Honestly, it looks really good. Very even, nice color all the way around. Next, we have Armor All's Outshine. Little less color, but not bad. But it did not touch much on the door trim. Mother's VLR did about the same as the Outlast from Armor All. And then the last thing we have is Solution Finish. And I use Solution Finish on this entire side. And it seems like it did a pretty excellent job as far as changing the color. So I'm going to put these in the description, and I'm going to show you how much they each cost in the next clip. Seems like these two work the best. I'm not sure which one lasts the longest, but I'm going to assume the Solution Finish does, because it actually came out like a solid black color. It seemed like it stained a little bit more, and it's a little bit more, it's about twice as much as this. This one you also have to be careful of. It will stain your hands, your clothes. It'll stain all kinds of stuff. So you got to be very careful with this one. You have to wear gloves, and you have to wear safety glasses when using this. The others you do not. But my overall favorite has been this one. I know you can find this on Amazon for about $25. So that's probably going to be my go-to pick. But the Ultimate Black from Meguiar's, I would highly recommend it as well. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know what you think in the comments, and stay tuned to the next video.